Hello and welcome back to our tutorial on how to make a calculator in Microsoft Visual Studio 2017. We're going to add some stuff that we forgot to last time. I mean, like, we didn't really forget to. It's just that, like, I purposefully held it out just to see which one of you astute people would notice. But today the rabbit comes out of the hat, so to speak. So if we type in a bunch of numbers here, let me do plus and like a number, it doesn't show the number here. So then what we need to do is we need to reset the display. Let's go back in here and get me out of there. We got to go to else if reset display is true. Then we're going to copy this bit of code. It'll work if we do. So if we do this, plus it works because we added this other little function here. So basically, if reset display happens here, then we're going to convert to string whatever the new number is, so that we don't have some weird overlap thing. Okay, so now we're going to do that on here, the end here. We're going to add, else if reset display is true, then display text will, we're trying to make it the same thing so it doesn't overlap. So it'll be 0.1. Oh, 0 point rather. So that's just a few things we're gonna put. So that's a few things we wanted to clear up. So we're gonna make a button for clearing the display, because we're doing a lot of clear stuff. Pop it on there. Nice. Put it right there. Clear. You can type whatever you want, like CLR or something. 36. Good. So now we have a clear button. Double click on it. Now we have clear click. So what pray goes in here? Well, let me tell you. So we're going to go to our top kek and copy these. We'll copy these variables just because when the clear click happens, we want to reset everything. So just like when it happened when it started. We want to make point true, first num 0, second num 0, operand 0, reset display, overload false, QU false, and lastly display dot text equals 0. Clear click resets everything, all of our variables, makes it display 0. Now we got to make a negative plus minus negative number, which is going to be right here. We already have one. Whoa! It's called plus minus, and it's right here now. So we're going to make a double variable. We're going to call it. Well, I want to make this something nice for the students. Double A equals convert to double display text text boop. And that'll basically make this A variable that you created whatever's on the display text. So when this is clicked, it'll make it A. Now we're going to have another one, which is basically give me the resultant number of what happens when we click plus minus. Double B equal to a or 0 minus A. So then whatever we put on the display text will be convert to string B. So now we're putting the B on the display text. So when plus minus is clicked, A, whatever's on display text becomes A, and then B is 0 minus A. So let's say we have 5 on the display, and we want to make it minus 5. So A would be 5, and then what we're outputting, which is B on display text, to string B, would be 0 minus 5, which would be minus 5. So that's what we're outputting on here. So boom, now you can have like minus 5. And if you have, let's say minus 5 initially, then 0 minus negative 5 is negative times a negative. A negative minus a negative. Wait. Yeah, now we have a plus minus click. So let's check it out. And we also have a clear. Nice. 3, we got a minus 3, plus 6, and we have a 3, 8, negative, wow, this is really fun actually, minus 2, negative 10, we can click clear, and it's great, and now we have a 0 back again. 8 plus 8 is 16. Boom. So that's basically a calculator. So that's about it, guys, and girls, and people. So, yeah, I mean, we got a working calculator. I mean, what's not to like? Click clear. This is all of our code, and you know, so we're gonna add a if here, because if we hit the local machine, and we type in a number, and then we add another excessively long-winded number, and then we get an error too long, and we try to hit plus minus on that, we'll get this kind of exception user on the handle input string was not in correct format. No, that's no bueno. So we gotta put an if here. So if overload is not true, then it'll run the plus minus click. Just so that we can't press a plus minus when the thing's full. You guys just give yourself a big pat on the back. Like that's what I'm doing right now. That we accomplished all of this together in spirit, because I no longer go to this school. Wait, I might actually. So yeah, we did this, guys. We did it. Wow, good job. I don't even need to say stay tuned in for the next episode, because there's not going to be one. So yeah, happy birthday if you haven't heard it yet. Happy belated birthday, and we'll see you guys in some other video tutorials that you might find on the website, because I'm probably gonna make a few more. So yeah, take care, guys. Have a great Monday.